Well, just a little update on my brother's Datsun 510. He's pulled all the lights out of it. Pretty much taken all the trim off of it. He took these back windows out. He's done a little bit of Bondo work to it. He's learning how to do it. A little bit of practice. So, we'll see. He's up here grinding right now. Up here, he's pulled the fenders off of it. He's gonna do a little bit of rust repair. Remove and revive, I guess. What else does he got going on? Headlight assembly out of something. He installed a tack on it for some reason, and I don't know why, because he's planning on putting a different motor in here. So I'm not totally sure why he done that, but he did it. So that's just a little bit for anyone who's curious as to how the Datsun project was coming along.